Okay, so I got the helmet already. Now I need to get some gloves. Get some gloves and a jacket. I might not get a motorcycle jacket, but I might, depending on, you know. Now, this is only just to go and do my motorcycle training and get the motorcycle endorsement on my license. But for the most part, that was a fairly inexpensive helmet and it fits me. Okay. It cost 160 bucks. Where I bought it yesterday at Woods Outdoor Cycle. Now the reason why I went with something cheap is because I know I'm going to be, when I get the bike, probably going to get another helmet that matches the bike.